What's happening, everybody? Dave here in our new 2017 Dodge Durango RT, and I really like this vehicle. I'll do my personal review of it soon, but you guys who have one of these, it's got the 5.7 liter Hemi V8, which is a very good performing engine. But in stock form, it is just too quiet. I'm sorry, it sounds like you're in a Lincoln Navigator or something. It just has no exhaust tone whatsoever. So I'm going to be doing a few exhaust videos on this vehicle. Make sure that you have good earbuds in, or you're listening with good computer speakers or something like that, because if you try to use your cell phone speaker, it's just incapable of producing the lower tone, the low frequency that the new exhaust will display in audio form. Anyway, so just remember that. Anytime you're watching any exhaust related video for cars, trucks, that sort of thing, always put some good earbuds or good speakers, on your computer. Anyway, we did the Mopar Upgrade Exhaust. It's an OEM exhaust. I'll have a link down below where you can get it, but you can get it from any Dodge dealer. Even on Amazon you can get it, and man, I'm telling you, it's just the right amount without being obnoxious. Like, how some aftermarket exhaust, they're too much, it's too loud, or has a humming drone sound inside the cabin, that sort of thing, and that's just really annoying. Where this high quality stainless steel exhaust, unfortunately, I haven't found any full Catback exhaust for this vehicle that was what I would call inexpensive. I mean, that stuff was, all of them well over $1,000. Most of them $1,300 to $2,000. If you get the Borla or Corsa. I saw the Gibson exhaust, which some people put on, and I thought it was okay, but the quality is just not there with that, in my opinion. Anyway, we're just sitting in it idling right now, and I'm going to drive around a little bit so you can hear what it sounds like inside the vehicle. But if you're wanting a recommendation from me, the Dodge OEM Upgrade Exhaust, it's Mopar brand, Mopar created. I recommend it, man. Anyway, so we'll just do a little listening here. And my speaker is pretty good on my phone here. I use the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and so just listen real quick. That's with the windows up, mind you. Windows are all up. Let's bring them down a little bit. It's fantastic. Anyway, I'm going to drive around a little bit, and so just put your earbuds in and listen. Oh, and the car is in regular mode right now, not in sport mode. Now I'm getting on it pretty good there also, that's probably, 1/3 throttle I'm giving it. Also note where this phone is located. I'm on a dash cam right now, so I'm not even putting it back in the rear part of the vehicle where you could hear it even more. But yeah, thoroughly impressed, man. Thoroughly. I mean, all in all, I am thoroughly impressed with this vehicle as well. It's really, really great. And I've had numerous, if you've seen my channel, numerous cars, trucks, and Jeeps and things. And this thing is in my top 3 of every vehicle I've owned. I put this thing in the top 3 easily. All right, now we're going to turn sport mode on, which greatly, even further improves overall acceleration, performance, downshifting, and automatic, an automatic transmission. Here we go. Now I didn't record anything with the stock exhaust on, which is kind of pointless because you honestly can't hear much of any exhaust note in this car with the stock exhaust, which is just, that thing is just a behemoth. It's got 3 giant mufflers on it. People actually refer to it as doing a suitcase delete when you remove the stock exhaust on this thing, because those mufflers, there's 3 of them, and there's one right around the catalytic converter area in the mid part of the exhaust, and then 2 in the back, and they are just gigantic. Holy crap. I mean, that's my only complaint, I mean, I understand why it has to be done from the factory, but that really ruins this this Dodge Durango RT. But anyway. So yeah, it's pointless to do a pre-video because you can't hear anything. All right, we'll hit it one more time. Let these cars get away in front of me here. Yeah. And in sport mode, it even downshifts a little earlier, kind of like you were doing a manual shift. Got the windows down now. All right, I'm sitting next to a building now, and with the windows down. So take a listen. So yeah, highly recommend it. I mean, honestly, getting any aftermarket exhaust for this thing would be an improvement, but the Mopar Dodge branded one, like I said, I'll put a link in the description where you can get it on Amazon, and definitely terrific. Anyway, that's it. I'll do another video, like comparing, showing the stock exhaust off the car and just show you how gigantic and huge and nasty it is. I'll even I'll weigh it also, because I know it is just heavy as anything. Anyway, that's it. Make sure you check out our other videos relating to this vehicle and tons of others. Anytime we have a car, work on it or own it for a while, motorcycles also, ATVs, any kind of vehicle that we fiddle with or upgrade or have problems with or whatever, we always try to post a video of how we fixed it, and maybe that'll help you guys in the future. So scan through the channel and just look for it. Look for anything that may interest you, and also Google Horsepower House, our Amazon store, eBay store, where we sell motorcycle related parts and tools, specialty related stuff. That link is in the description as well. And then look for the thumbnail that shows up at the very end of this video, and it'll lead you in the different areas of our channel that you might like. That's it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.